Why are there 3 different alifs? Today, you'll never confuse them again. There's an easy system. They all sound alike, but why are they written differently? In just a few minutes, you'll know exactly which one to use.
Question. The alif endings are one of the most confusing topics for learners. Today, I will teach you the complete system. Let us start with the most common, the Alif Maqsurah. First, Alif Maqsurah. It looks like a ya without a dot. It is called the short alif. It is found at the end of many nouns and verbs.
How do I know when to use it? Rule 1. Alif Maqsurah is used in words that end with a soft ah sound but are not originally alif. It is written as ya. Huda, 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 meaning guidance. Now you say it with me. Huda. Huda ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. It is a noun meaning guidance. It is written with ya, not alif. Al-Huda, 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 meaning the guidance. Now you. Al-Huda. Al-Huda also ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. The definite article, al, does not change the ending. Write in the comments, can you think of any word that ends with ya? I will help you. Rule 2. Alif Maqsurah is also used in verbs that end with a soft ah sound in the past tense. Rama, 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 meaning he threw. Now you. Rama. Rama ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. It is a past tense verb. It ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. The present is yermi with ya. Masha, 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 meaning he walked. Now you. Masha. Masha ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. The present is yamshi. Bana, 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 meaning he built. Now you. Bana. Bana ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. The original letter is ya. The present is yabni. Qada, 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 meaning he spent or he judged. Now you. Qada. Qada ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. The present is yaqdi. Naja, 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 meaning he survived. Now you. Naja. Naja ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. The present is yanju. Wait, this has wow. Let me give a better example. Rule 3. Alif Maqsurah is used in verbs that have a ya or ya as the original last letter. Hada, 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 meaning he guided. Now you. Hada. Hada ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. The original letter is ya. The present is yahdi. Rawa, 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 meaning he narrated or he watered. Now you. Rawa. Rawa ends with Alif Maqsurah, ya. The original letter is ya. The present is yarwi. 10 examples with Alif Maqsurah. Write in the comments what is the present tense of Rama. Second, Alif Layyinah. It looks like a normal alif, alif. It is the soft alif that appears at the end of many words. Where do I use the normal alif? Rule 4. Alif Layyinah is used in verbs that have a waw as the original last letter. Da'a, 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 meaning he called. Now you say it with me. Da'a. Da'a ends with alif normal, alif. The original letter is waw. The present is yad'u. Afa, 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 meaning he forgave or he pardoned. Now you. Afa. Afa ends with normal alif, alif. The original letter is waw. The present is ya'fu. Ghada, 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 meaning he went early in the morning. Now you. Ghada. Ghada ends with normal alif, alif. The original letter is waw. The present is yaghdu. Sata, 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 meaning he exceeded or he attacked. Now you. Sata. Sata ends with normal alif, alif. The original letter is waw. The present is yastu. Aja, 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 meaning he marveled or he was amazed. Less common. Let me give a more common example. Raja, 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 meaning he hoped. Now you. Raja. Raja ends with normal alif, alif. The original letter is waw. The present is yarju. Nama, 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 meaning he grew or he increased. Now you. Nama. Nama ends with normal alif, alif. The original letter is waw. The present is yanmu. Khafa, 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 meaning he hid or he became hidden. Now you. Khafa. Khafa ends with normal alif, alif. The original letter is waw. The present is yakhfu. Rule 5. Some nouns end with alif, Alif Layyinah. These often have a waw as the root letter. Asa, 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 meaning a stick. Now you. Asa. Asa ends with normal alif, alif. The original letter is waw. 10 examples with Alif Layyinah. Write in the comments what is the present tense of da'a.
Third, Alif Mamdudah. It looks like ah. It is the extended alif with a small muda on top. It is used in some nouns and verbs. When do I use Alif Mamdudah? Rule 6. Alif Mamdudah is used in words where the alif is followed by a Hamzah. It is written as ah. Example 1. Adam, 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 meaning Adam. Now you say it with me. Adam. Adam begins with Alif Mamdudah. It is a proper noun. Example 2. Amana. He believed. Amana. 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 Meaning, he believed. Now you. Amana. Amana begins with Alif Mamdudah. It is a past tense verb. Example 3. Akhir. Last, end. Akhir. 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 Meaning, last, end. Now you. Akhir. Akhir begins with Alif Mamdudah. It is a noun. Example 4. Amara. He commanded, he ordered. Amara. 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 Meaning, he commanded, he ordered. Now you. Amara. Amara begins with Alif Mamdudah. The present is ya'muru. Example 5. Amil. Hopeful, one who hopes. Amil. 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 Meaning, hopeful, one who hopes. Now you. Amil. Amil begins with Alif Mamdudah. It is a noun. Example 6. Ayah. Sign, verse. Ayah. 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 Meaning, sign, verse. Now you. Ayah. Ayah begins with Alif Mamdudah. It is a noun. Example 7. Ameen. 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 Meaning, Ameen. Now you. Ameen. Ameen begins with Alif Mamdudah. It is a supplication word. Example 8. Asif. Sorry, regretful. Asif. 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 Meaning, sorry, regretful. Now you. Asif. Asif begins with Alif Mamdudah. It is an adjective. Example 9. Akil. Eater, one who eats. Akil. 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 Meaning, eater, one who eats. Now you. Akil. Akil begins with Alif Mamdudah. It is a noun. Example 10. Ati. Coming, one who comes. Ati. 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 Meaning, coming, one who comes. Now you. Ati. Ati begins with Alif Mamdudah. It is an adjective. Write in the comments, what words do you know that start with ah? Write them below. Now let us compare the 3 alif endings side by side. Ending, name, origin. Ya.
Alif Maqsurah.
Ya. Rama. Masha. Huda. Musa. Isa. Alif. Alif Layyinah. Wow. Da'a. Afa. Raja. Asa. Alif Mamdudah. Hamzah after Alif. Amana. Adam. Akhir. Ayah. The key to remember is to look at the origin of the word.
If the original letter is ya, use ya, Alif Maqsurah. If the original letter is waw, use Alif, Alif Layyinah. If the word has a Hamzah after the Alif, use Alif Mamdudah.
So the origin tells me everything. Ya equals ya, waw equals alif, Hamzah after alif equals
Yes, that is the system. Keep practicing and it will become natural. Let me tell you the 3 most common mistakes. Mistake 1, writing ya instead of alif in verbs with waw origin. Wrong, da'a. Should be da'a. Correct, da'a. He called. Why? The original letter is waw, so it takes alif, Alif Layyinah. Mistake 2, writing alif instead of ya in verbs with ya origin. Wrong, rama. Should be rama. Correct, rama. He threw. Why? The original letter is ya, so it takes ya, Alif Maqsurah. Mistake 3, forgetting the Hamzah in Alif Mamdudah. Wrong, Adam. Should be Adam. Correct, Adam, Adam. Why? The Alif is followed by a Hamzah, so it takes Alif Mamdudah.
So the origin tells me everything. Ya equals ya, waw equals alif, Hamzah after alif equals
Yes, that is the system. Keep practicing and it will become natural.